Hi guys. Oh my gosh, it's a little dark. Oh, that is much better, is it not? Okay, so I actually was supposed to go to church today for choir rehearsal, but there is a snowstorm situation going on, so let's spend an afternoon in my life pre-snowstorm edition. Yeah, that sounds good. I actually have a lot a lot of editing to do. Yay! I love it, so it's fine, but it's a good amount. First order of business is going to be to get a snack. I am thinking of probably my favorite snack at the moment, and that is going to be some cassava maba. Normally, oh, why is there another car in the driveway? Whose car is that? Okay, I'm gonna ignore that. Anyways, so that's cassava with peanut butter. Normally we will have it with glou sucré, which is basically water with sugar, like a little sweet drink. But I think we have apple juice, so I'm gonna use that instead. One of my mom's co-workers, friends, I don't know, somebody that my mom knows went to Haiti recently, and they brought us like a full bag of cassave. We don't like to waste things here, so somebody's gotta eat them. Look at, wow, that's a beautiful piece. Isn't she gorgeous? She's like almost the size of my face. I want you guys to hear the crunch. I might need to get into ASMR with this level of acting. Guys, I can't find the peanut butter. Okay, I found it. It was right behind me. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. Some of the cassaves are really thick, and it's good, but you just gotta press a little. You gotta use the teeth that the Lord gave you, and just like, you know. How? You know what would go well with this? Citron. I have a brand deal to go work on, so let's go record that. It's perfect because it's about not being ashy. The products are actually downstairs, so I gotta go get those. Let's get to work. I could record it with this headscarf on because it looks fine. I actually am feeling like I should fix my hair. I did a slick back bun yesterday, and I think I'm just gonna try to fix that. Let's see what my hair is looking like right now. Okay, well, it's not horrible. Right, it just needs it needs a little fixing. Okay, it needs a little something. Okay, I'm just gonna put some water in. Not too much though, not too much. I can hear my dad on the phone downstairs. Like, sir, why are we yelling? Oh, my phone is ringing. Hello? All right, so that was actually an important phone call. And I cut my hair recently. It wasn't a lot, but it has significantly impacted my ability to do a bun. My mother's gonna make patty cordie, guys. She's gonna make patty cordie, but we're gonna make patty cordie, okay? If you know me, you know I love a good patty cordie. So I'm excited for that. Okay, my hair is mostly done. I just need to slick this girl back. So I'm so excited about the patties. Yes! Oh, my mom has my gel. My mother has my gel. She's always taking my stuff. And that she's looking, yeah. I love being a black woman. I love, this already just like, well, I love being a black woman. I also have come to realize the importance of having my hair done. I should have realized this a while back, but you know, there were a few things that were going on. I just think that my frontal lobe was not fully developed yet. So I was like, you know, it's fine, but I already feel so clean, so nice, so put together. Yes. We praise the Lord. We praise the Lord. I'm gonna do the lip gloss. Where is my blush? So the plan is to do these two, just lip gloss and blushy. Cat. She's really good. 1, 2, sometimes 3. Ready? 3. 3. I am new to this. Do not judge me. I am doing my best, okay? This is currently my best. Blender in. Hold on. I think we're gonna stick with that. I also have not been drinking enough water today, so I am challenging myself to drink 4 of these before I go to bed. This is 1, okay? I need to drink 4 of these, and you're gonna help me keep count. Thank you. Okay, so I just finished reading the brief. This is perfect for the winter months, and I actually stand by it because I've used this brand a lot, so this is perfect. Okay, so I have 3 products from Avena that we're going to highlight today, and I'm so excited because once again I have used this brand so much, and it's so nice to be able to work with them. Like, what? This video is going to be posted on TikTok, so when you do see it on my TikTok, like and comment, you know, engage, please and thank you. We are going to stay hydrated. I think the hair should be good now. We're gonna take those glasses off, and Moment of truth, guys. Are you ready? Yeah, what are we doing? We bless the name of the Lord because it turned out pretty good. Perfect. This is what we're looking like. I think we're looking pretty good. Say hi to my DJI. Hi. This is my favorite camera as of right now. As of right now, yeah. Guys, the charm in my necklace, the cross from my necklace fell. It fell in the sink. Now, I just tried for like a good 30 minutes to try to get it out and it fell deeper and I do not have a wrench. So, I don't know. This feels so weird because I love that necklace so much. Yay, but I am almost done with my video. I'm just gonna put a little bit more lotion on because I was actually pretty ashy, which was great for the video purposes. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, I'm actually gonna stop complaining because God just used that situation to show someone else how he sees her and how he hears her. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop complaining, okay? I'm done. I'm not complaining anymore. I'm not complaining. This is one of my favorite songs. It's called Hands of God by Anu Eletu. I hope I pronounced this correctly. If your promises are sure, and I know my feet has a cure. There's no lying you, give me faith to bear. I'm gonna help my dad with something, and I also realized that it's been an hour and I haven't had any extra water. So we're just gonna go for round 2 over here. We're just gonna chug. We officially do not have church tomorrow, and I am on my second water bottle. So we're gonna make the patties very soon, and my mother is gonna walk you through the process. I am just a happy little helper and a beneficiary of her excellent culinary skills. Guys, my mom's gonna be on camera and she's a little nervous, so be nice. Be nice. You're nervous? Are you nervous? Are you excited?
Non. Nous allons faire pâte là. Nous allons faire pâte quoi.
Ok, nous allons faire pâte quoi?
À la haïtienne.
Oh, et à la haïtienne seulement gagne, oui? L'autre, you gagne l'autre, non. Mais pâte cordée, c'est haïtien. Ok, let's go.
Ok, nous allons faire pâte cordée. Ça c'est farine.
Ok.
Nous avons besoin de farine pour nous préparer pâte là. Nous avons besoin de l'eau, nous avons besoin d'épices, nous avons besoin de sel.
This is épice. Hold on, guys. You have to tell them what's in this, mommy. Not everybody knows.
Ça c'est l'ail, persil, poireau, oignon, et puis
Piment.
poivron. Non, il n'y a pas de sel.
On va mettre piment là-dedans?
Non, les m'a mettre dans la viande. Ça c'est général.
Ok.
Les m'a mettre dans la viande, m'ajouter piment, poivre, girofle. Ok. Ça c'est basique là et céleri. Et puis oignon.
Okay.
Blendé.
No salt.
No salt. Pas de sel là-dedans.
Okay.
C'est ça que fait. Dans de l'eau qui va le faire.
Pâte là.
Pâte là. On prend là-dedans.
Just a little bit.
Brasser. Puis on ajoute sel. Faut pas saler parce que et nous allons faire pickles là. La bien sel là-dedans.
Alright.
Faut que nous fassions de façon mesurée.
Of
pour pas
course.
trop de sel. Ok.
Period, queen.
Brasser.
Qu'est-ce que ça?
Moi, je mets un petit sel, j'ajoute un petit bagage
Tout petit.
Mettez farine là.
Ok.
Voilà. Et puis, on a mélangé farine là avec
De l'eau épice là.
l'eau épice.
Okay, so when we're done with that, this is what the dough is going to look like.
Bien pâte là, on a pris là-dedans pour nous faire pâte. On met dans le frigidaire pour nous bien mariner et puis ça va bien entrer là-dedans. Mais pickles là, nous rachetons choux, carottes et puis nous faisons une petite sauce vinaigrette, citron, piment, ajouter petit salade.
Okay, that's spices, right?
Yeah.
She's doing so good.
Mélanger carottes, choux et puis petite sauce vinaigrette là-dedans ça qui vient bon. Pickles.
Yeah. Okay.
OK, moi racheter à un soir, piler à un soir pour préparer notre saison fin en pâte. And then we are ready to make the pâte. We are ready to make the patties. We are ready to make the pâte.
Yes, mommy. Okay, so we don't have a rolling pin in this house yet, so we're gonna use a wine bottle to make sure that the dough is as flat as possible. It's called a rolling pin. Come on, Ulo?
Oui, un rouleau.
Comment ça va relever? So what's your favorite part of making the pate?
Les moun ap manje l.
When people are eating it, not when you're eating it?
No, when people eating it. Because most of the time I'm making it, it's for people.
But you don't like to eat it?
I taste it, but I don't eat really. I don't really eat.
Oh, mommy, that's sad way.
It's not sad. Quoi Bible dit comme ça, il y a plus de bonheur à donner qu'à recevoir.
Oh, so you like feeding people.
Yes.
You like feeding people, but you should also eat.
I eat. Sinon m'da mouri.
Bon, fair enough. Okay.
But I like it.
You like cooking for people.
Yes,
Okay.
actually I'm making soup for someone else.
Soup jumeau?
Soup jomo ak pied bœuf.
How do you say people with cow feet?
Yes.
With cow's feet?
Yeah.
Ah. Mkabweladen?
If you want to.
If I want to.
Otibaga
Otibaga is crazy. Otibaga is wild. When did you start cooking? Like, how old were you?
Long time ago.
How old were you when you started cooking?
When I start cooking,
Yeah.
for real,
Yeah.
I think I was 13.
13. That's a long time ago.
Yeah, because my mom used to ask my sister, my elder sister, and myself. She used to ask us, make us cook.
Make us cook? You couldn't banu bato?
No. She said that we have to.
Okay. But you like cooking.
Yes, I like that. Not always.
When did you start liking to cook?
When I was a mother.
When you became a mother?
When I became a mother.
Oh.
Because I have to feed my children, my kids. And my husband too.
So not when you became a wife, but when you became a mom.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, bro. Okay. All right, we'll take it. Okay, what is your favorite thing to cook?
I don't have a favorite thing. I cook everything that I have.
Yeah, she does. She's an amazing cook. Okay, so comment j'ai préféré? Okay, Anzi, 2. You can give me 2.
Moi, mais maï.
Maï
Maï
moulin.
boucané.
Okay, maï boucané.
What else? Mon papa, je me fais ça, m'a fait.
No, you're doing so great.
Parce qu'on fait me réfléchir.
You're doing amazing. You
On
can.
fait me réfléchir, pendant ma réfléchir, I'm obligé.
Au fond, camper.
C'est de mon bon. On va faire débat en même temps qu'elle commence à
You're
défendre.
doing so.
Nous-mêmes, mesdames, on a fait mon étudier, on a fait manger.
We can do it
on a
all.
passé.
But you know what? It is something that I think people can learn. You don't have to do come see big tasks at the same time, like multiple big tasks at the same time. But I think to a certain level, you can learn to take care of multiple things. But so when they grow up, they're like, mbaka flame freeze. I can't do anything.
Les a parlé, on va faire à mais les a conduit, soit faire au parler, ou tout ça, ou déranger.
Okay, what's the second favorite food?
Pas songer. Pas connaître.
Now, you put some of the pickles,
So,
some alaso, some pickles, and some more alaso. All right, so normally you can also add eggs to this, boiled eggs, but this one can go without the boiled egg. So I'm gonna close this up and then we're gonna get to it, okay? I'm so excited to eat. I'm actually getting super hungry, so this is perfect timing. Okay, just so you guys know, this is what the texture of the dough looks like. It's kind of thick. You can't see through. Yeah, it has to hold all the ingredients, and we are going to fry that girl up. So yeah, just so you guys know what consistency to look for in your dough.
my mom had 9 children, and we were living with no father at home. So my mom taught us to eat everything that she gave us. That is why
she started talking and somebody called her. Why would you call my mother in the middle of... Why would she do that? Why would she do that? It's okay. I need to get my water bottle. You know what I need right now? I need a banger smoothie. I'm talking strawberry, banana, peanut butter. Throw some chia seeds in there. What else can we add in there? some Greek yogurt. Yeah, that would be tough. I think I'm just hungry. I think it's just the hunger speaking. I'm sorry, guys.
I wanted to answer your question about what kind of food I like. I prefer. I don't have any preference. I grew up in a family of 9, and with my mother taught us to be grateful for everything that we have on our table. That is why I usually eat everything I got on my table. Maybe that is why I don't have any preference, because I used to be grateful. Anything I receive from God, I know I receive it from you, and then I enjoy eating it. So I don't have really a big preference.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I like my
You like my bokone?
okay.
There's also something else that you like. You like cocktails. You love a good cocktail. What is your favorite type of cocktail? E pa kite mare pou vous dire là. Ou je ne bosse cocktail ou boire?
Bien sûr. Also, eggs and pickles.
Yes. And then you
Close it.
close it. Close it up. Tale. Bon pas close it up là. Oh, tale. Okay, go ahead. Yes. This is my story. You are my son. All day, all night, I will sing of your faithfulness. Ready? This is my story. You are my song. All day, all night, I will sing of your faithfulness. From my spirit to my soul, until my voice re-echoes to my soul. Of my worship, worthy of my After this, we fried our patties. You have to make sure that your oil is very, very hot. And this is how they came out. They came out very crispy, obviously. This is the best way for them to be. Okay, guys, this is what my plate looks like. I have 2 patties on here with some pickles. And we're gonna taste test. 1, 2, 3, cheers.
Okay.
It tastes good. Perfect. Just do this. Okay. I'm gonna finish eating this. I did some pickles on this. Okay, I'm done with my patty and I'm halfway through the 3rd water bottle. Guys, I am literally so full. Now I'm gonna clean my face. I think I'm gonna lay down for a second. Might fall asleep, might not.